Hi everybody, this is Hank. He is a 6-pound Pomeranian. We adopted him when he was 7 years old, but now he's going to turn 18 years old this coming September. So because of his old age, he is not able to control his bladder anymore. So we try our best to take him out when we think that he needs to go out, but sometimes he couldn't make it. And so we put pads around his bed, and a lot of times he just misses it, and sometimes he doesn't even, he used to, and his memory, I don't know if his memory is also getting bad, but he used to always be very good. And sometimes if we're not home, he pees in his pad. But just recently he doesn't, even if the pad is right next to his bed or whatever, he just doesn't want to go there, or just he misses it. So what I did was I bought him a disposable diaper. I bought the smallest one. It's extra small, but it's very uncomfortable for him because it keeps coming off. So I just decided I'm going to make a fabric underwear to put over his disposable diaper. So this video is going to show you how I did it. So stay tuned. So okay, I bought this. This is an extra small diaper, disposable diapers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reinforce this with fabric. So I have try to use an old t-shirt. If you have an old t-shirt, or this one here, I'm using an old bed sheet. I have a bed sheet that's kind of like the fabric of a t-shirt. So I cut it, I measured his body, and I want this to be above the waist so that it won't come off. So this is how I did it. The way I did this is I folded the fabric like this, and I measured for, this is a very small dog, like 5-pound dog. So from here to here is 16 inches, and then from this side here to this side here is 2 inches. But when folded, this is folded, okay, because it's actually 4-inch, and this one here is actually 4-inch across. So I'm not going to take this into, I'm not going to worry about this one because this is already has elastic on it. I just want to have something to hold this. So I'm using this width. So what I'm going to do now, when I open it, it's like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew the edges here, and then I'm going to put an elastic here, so it's like this. And then I'm going to put elastic also in this side, and I'm also going to put elastic on this side. Okay, so I just realized that originally I was going to put elastic here, elastic there, and then I'm going to put Velcro here so that I can attach it like this. I was going to attach this to this one, overlap it like that. But as it turns out, I don't have a Velcro, so I'm going to modify the design where I'm going to make it as if like it's an underwear. So I'm going to fold it this way, and I'm going to connect this to this, and I'm going to put elastic all around just like an underwear, and then I'm also going to put an elastic over here. So I measured my dog's waist all around, and it's 13. So I'm going to give them a little bit of allowance, and then I'm going to put elastic all around here. Okay, I might have to probably cut this a little bit because this is too wide. So here I sew this both sides together up there, and then I just sew the edges on this side. See here, this is the underwear. This is how it looks. So I attach the sides on this one, and then I sew the sides here. Okay, I'm using zigzag on a stitch, and then I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so here's the underwear, and so I sew all edges up there, zigzag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put elastic on the waist and also on the leg area. Okay, so I'm going to show you the trick when you put the elastic. Okay, so you're going to put the elastic. This is how small the elastic is going to be, but you're supposed to put the elastic around here. So to make it kind of even, because it's kind of hard to do it, so you want to find the half of the elastic. So in this case, this is half. You also want to look at the half of the fabric where you're going to put the elastic, so which is in this case is this one here. So you would want to sew the other half to the half of the center. I mean, you would sew the center of the elastic to the center of the underwear right there. Okay, so you would sew the beginning first, and then sew the center of the elastic to the center of the fabric. I sew the center of the elastic to the center of the underwear leg. This is the leg. So that way, so this is the excess fabric. So that way I know when I sew the elastic, I know how far away I would stretch it. So here it is. I'm done with the underwear right here. I put some pleats. In here because the fabric that I made was very wide and the elastic was small, so I just put some pleats on there. See, so there's the elastic, and there's an on. You know, he doesn't have a big leg, but I didn't want it to make it too tight, so let's try it on my dog. So I tried it on my dog, and I purposely did not put a hole for the tail until I tried it on him, because I don't know how it's going to fit on him. So now this is where his tail is, so I'm gonna cut a hole in here so there's room for his tail. Okay, so the way I'm gonna cut it, I'm not gonna cut a circle all the way. I'm going to make I'm not gonna go cut all the way, so I'm gonna leave a fold. See here, I'm cutting it this way only. See, so this one, it would be like a flap. So I just sew this around here with zigzag. See right there? So that's where the tail is going to be. So now we're going to try it on my little Hank. This is Hank's new diaper. Look at Hank's diaper. Let's put, see Hanky, you got a new underwear, Hank. See? And then your tail sticking out there. And then there. And there you go, Hank. There's Hank's new underwear.